Another trading strategy here, trading pocket option with only two trading indicators, the fractal indicator and the alligator indicator. Or we just called it fractal alligator. We will trade for 5 seconds with a fractal period of 3, with its default styles. Then let's set up our alligator with jaws period of 15, jaws shift of 10, teeth period of 10, teeth shift 7, lips period of 6 and lips shift into 4. As we can see in the chart, we have already set it up our indicators to be traded. Let's find reliable spots to trade. Take a look at this chart. Our fractal creates an arrow, indicating the trend already goes beyond its limit. We also have our alligator with its precise position, aiming going down, with the green line touches the orange or middle line. Let's trade quick going lower. Good trading result. This strategy also needs basic knowledge on the candlestick patterns and charting reversals. Let's find good momentum pairs to trade. A good trading momentum here. The 3 alligator line is aligned with each other. Having the green and orange line will meet sooner. Then we will wait for the fractal arrow to generate. It already touches the orange line. We can trade with it without the fractal, as long as the trend is smooth going down. Got good result for that trade. Another spot here, a fractal arrow and a good reliable alligator to trade. See the rest of the video and apply the strategy to get more wins while trading with pocket option.